Hello. I was asked if I could share a technique that I used for creating variegated holly. So here I am. I'm going to start by inking up my stamp with green sleeves and then with olive and the pointy end of a smoothie. I'm just going to tap around the stamp. There you are. There you go. Green sleeves. Although I've done it around the other way this time. Let's see what difference it makes. So I started with the olive and now I'm going to come back in with the green sleeves. It's nice too. There you are. So that's an easy way to create variegated holly. And then I'm going to use my sparkly stardust jelly roll pen. And colour up my berries. There you are. Hope you find this useful.